muscles upon proteins in bones. Okay. What is proteins in muscles? 1/3. 1 upon 3. What is proteins in bones? 1 by 6. Now this you will have to solve. The formula is A upon B, the whole upon C upon D. It should be A upon B, the whole upon C upon D equals to AD upon BC. D comes over here and BC come down. So similarly solve this. 6 into 1 upon 3 into 1. So 6 upon 3. So 2 is to 1. That is the required answer. If the question would have been find the proteins, distribution of proteins in hormones, enzymes and other proteins, then what would you have done? See here, in that case total is 1. 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 10 and 1 by 6. See this, I will solve it. If the proteins in hormones, enzymes and other proteins is asked, then 1 minus the total of all these 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 6. LCM is 30. So 3 tens are 10. 10 threes are 3. 6 fives are 5 upon 30. Solve this. 18 by 30. 31 are minus 18. 12 by 30. Then 2 by 5. That is the proteins in hormones, enzymes, etc. Whatever it is. But that is not asked in the question. It was just an additional part given to you. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30, cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for those. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Mind it, it is useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exams. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.